Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Introduce of use from the University of 17 Agustus 1945 Surabaya, Faculty of Law. At this time, we went to present about solve the Drinking Act be lowered authorized. First, introduce my name Ahmad Jimli Zitan.
My name Bayaki Devawinanta.
My name is Nikhil Netrale.
Okay, let's start the presentation. Common argument for lowering the drinking age. Giving an age limit on alcohol help children develop their means properly, and from the drinking limit parents can survive the children more so as not the violate rule. Next, results of setting the drinking age. Setting a minimum legal drinking age (MLDA) is a wide range of effects in individuals on society. Positive impacts reduce drunk driving fatalities. This is one of the most significant and well-documented effects. Raising the drinking age, particularly to 71, has led to a substantial decrease in alcohol-related traffic fatalities, especially among young drivers. Results of setting the drinking age lower rates of underage MLTA laws help reduce the prevalence of alcohol consumption among youth. Studies show that when the drinking age is higher, fewer young people consume alcohol. Improved health outcomes by reducing underage drinking MLDA laws contribute to better health comes over young people including one, reduce risk of alcohol poisoning. Two, lower rates of alcohol-related injuries and illness. Three, decreased risk of the developing alcohol dependence later in life. Four, reduce negative impacts on brain development. The public safety benefits. Higher drinking are associated with lower rates of alcohol-related crimes, violence, and other social problems.
Lowering the drinking age encourage responsible drinking. Early exposure and controlled environments is proponent argue that introducing alcohol in control setting, like at home with family at a younger age, can foster a more responsible attitude towards alcohol. This allows young people to learn about alcohol in a safe environment and and develop responsible habits. Learning moderation. The idea is that young people can learn to moderate their intake and understand the effect of alcohol in a supervised setting rather than engaging in drinking in secret to the forbidden fruit effect. Next.
Lowering the drinking age encourages responsible drinking. Arguments against lowering the drinking age and promoting responsibility. Brain development. The human brain, particularly the prefrontal cortex responsible for decision making and impulse control, continues to develop until the mid-20s. Early alcohol exposure can disrupt this development, potentially leading to long-term cognitive and behavioral problems. Increase access, increase consumption. Lowering the drinking age can simply lead to greater access to alcohol for younger individuals, potentially increasing overall consumption and related problem like alcohol poisoning accidents.
Okay, next. Drinking as behavior. Increased alert when something is prohibited, it can become more aggressive, especially to young people who are naturally inclined to test boundaries. This can lead to a greater interest in alcohol and a desire to consume it, even if it means doing so in secret and potentially dangerous situation. Rebellious behavior, the drinking acts can be seen as a challenge to authority, leading some young people to engage in drinking as form of rebellion or asserting their independence. Unsolved environment, unsolved experiments, often drinking of course in environments linked house of secluded area where be limit access to herb and emergency. Impaired judgment and come making driving extremely dangerous. Underage drink more likely to drive under the influence due to a combination of inspection with both alcohol and driving. Next, next.
Drinking aids to protect young people. Vulnerability to alcohol affects the human brain, particularly the prefrontal cortex responsible for decision making, impulse control, and judgment, continues to develop well into the mid 20s. Alcohol consumption during this period can disrupt this development, leading to long-term cognitive and behavioral. Clear legal framework. Drinking age laws provide a clear legal framework for parents to enforce rules about alcohol consumption in their homes and community. Next,
Dangers of underage drinking most evident. Alcohol poisoning. Underage drinkers are more likely to engage in binge drinking, which increase the risk of alcohol poisoning, a potential fatal conditioning, injuries, and accident. Alcohol impairs judgment, coordination, and reaction time, making young people more susceptible to injuries and accident, but intentional and unintentional. Increase risks of mental health issues. Studies have shown a link between early alcohol use and an increased risk of developing mental health problems like depression and anxiety. Next.
Specific health risks of alcohol consumption for young people. Alcohol consumption poses significant health risks for young people. Whose bodies and brains are still developing, here are some specific risks. Brain development. Alcohol can interfere with healthy brain development in young people, potential affecting memory and learning, leading to difficulties in school and cognitive impairment. decision-making and judgment, increasing the likelihood of risky behaviors and poor choice, impulse control, making it harder to resist urges and potentially leading to dangerous situation. Next.
Raising the drinking age benefit public safety and society. Raising the drinking age has been shown to benefit public safety and society in several ways. Reduce drunk driving fatalities. Studies have consistently shown that raising the drinking age to 21 significantly reduce the number of alcohol-related traffic fatalities among young people. Decline in underage drinking. Raising the drinking age has also been associated with a decrease in overall alcohol consumption among young people. Positive impact on public health. By reducing alcohol-related injuries and death, raising the drinking age has next.
Okay, thank you. That's all our presentation on should the drinking age be lowered or raised more or less be abolished. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.